guess we just need to push it up and mark it. Pretty good right there. When you get to this one, we're going to have to put it up.
So this one and that one are good. It's just that one's got to go up.
Yeah, you can.
They snap right out.
I just snap off.
Oh.
It's really easy when you do it like that.
Yeah, read
I was noticing that. I was like,
I mean,
barely cutting it.
just read the instructions. I mean, really.
Does it say they can snap off? Because I was just barely cutting it.
Oh yeah, step number 4, snap straps at wall ceiling by pushing side to side, snapping off straps level with flange of cap, then discard straps. There we go.
Pro tip.
We take that over and use razor blade and look like idiots.
Or fingernail clip.
Or fingernail, yeah.
I was like, that'd be a good idea with keeping them on the truck.
Run to CVS and get some.
Can you imagine?
With the credit. With the Manco credit card. You got a PO for this?
You said what now?
So you got a PO for this? Oh, I got the credit card, Mac. Just let you know. It's gonna need gas on the way back.
Oh,
from
okay.
down.
No, that's not good.
What is up?
I'm not sure.
That's good.
I almost felt like I pushed it in the wall. There's that thing. Tell you what, take those off. Let's see if it's. Let me try this one. I'm wondering if it just broke or something. Tell you what, take those loose. Just take yours out and we can drop the whole thing down.
Oh, it broke.
Yeah, you gotta be careful when you snap.
If you ever got any oil for the forklift?
I did not know.
No.
Is it not working at all?
I mean, it's I like barely starting to pick up the rail off the table because I was gonna move it to the other side.
Oh, okay.
That's how we can start like grinding on it and stuff. And I'd like to start building the small rail.
I would say go get some, but Travis has got the cars and we're right in the middle of these rails.
Or do you want me to get some and then I just give you the receipt for it?
Yeah, that's fine. I went to Lowe's this morning. I meant to look. I don't know if they have it or not.
Tractor supply again.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because if not, I don't know how we're gonna get this rail off. So
Yeah.
All right.
Check Tractor Supply.
I was gonna say if Lowe's does Tractor Supply, I would have it. I don't think it's probably about the only place that's gonna have it around there.
Maybe we put these in first.
Jimmy, just get like one bucket.
Yeah, just get a 5-gallon bucket. It's probably gonna take a good half, probably 2 or 3 gallons to fill it up.
Yeah, like good 3.
All right, try that. Yeah, that's fine. Just run and grab it. It shouldn't be too much. You just give me the receipt and I'll give it back to you.
All right. Cool.
All right, see you.
And that's what I did last time.
Yeah, it don't take much of them things. it all fired.
Got them all snowed.
Yeah.
That's what I said, by the time you get all 5 of them.
Pants on yesterday.
Hmm?
Did you have those pants on yesterday?
Quite possible.
Okay.
Woke up this morning, I was like, well.
Is that good there? Is that 10?
Yeah.
I do that every now and then.
Usually my pants, like I would like put them in the dirty clothes and like they just appear clean again. It didn't happen this time.
Smash it. Watch. I put this pizza box on the
You
coffee
know what,
table.
dude?
And the next morning, it's gone.
It's gone. It's all
Look,
clean.
there's something else to laundry. She gets all over divorce.
Alright, you good there?
Yeah. Jeez, Travis.
Well, you know. Found some insulation. Don't.
Golly.
Are you off?
Yeah. I don't know why though.
How far?
Like a good bit.
It won't go?
That far.
Try it and see. Where's the screwdriver? Just try and start it. I'm in, you're in, right?
Yeah, I'm here.
See if we can leave yours in there, just loosen it up. All this insulation.
Oh yeah.
Good.
Oh yeah. Good and bad.
All right, so I got you a little bit of footage on that. These are interior rails at a church. A little tricky because you can see these steps are really long, so it makes it really tough to get your height. And what we shoot for is 36 most of the time. 34 to 38 is code. So what we ended up doing was getting kind of 38 down here. And then when you get to your steps, you're at 36 roughly. Everything should be within code though. These actually kind of line up somewhat, and then you get up here and the steps are shorter. So it worked out a little bit different there, but overall, not bad. These are aluminum. They're 1.5 aluminum pipe. And what we decided to do, instead of welding the brackets on because we weren't sure where we were going to mount them, how we were going to mount them, we ended up just using self-tapping screws and then some special anchors to hold inside the sheetrock. Had a couple issues, but nothing we couldn't overcome. And then what we thought was the steps were the same over here, but they ended up not being the same. Very close, but not exactly. So we had to kind of fudge these a little bit. So these actually turned out a little bit better. They kind of line up. Of course, you got these are shorter steps. So you got I think these were 14 foot long, and then these two down here are 18 foot long. So basically we just split the difference here. We came a foot on each end. Same thing down here. And then this one we just had to split. Got about 42 inches on each end. Still got a 36 here. Ends up about 38 here. And then we wrap this corner. This one's a little bit longer. That corner over there stops about half this. So steps are, like I said, the layout's just a little bit different. But it just gives you something to hold on to. So you got older people that come to the church or whatever and need something to hold. And I'll show you the little brackets we use that are actually clips that go inside and hang the sheet rockets. They're pretty neat, something we've never used, but not too bad. So figured about 2 hours on the install. It took closer to 3, just because we had a couple issues. Hit metal studs. We had no idea what was behind these walls. We knew it was sheetrock. Had a feeling there's probably some cinder block back there somewhere. This used to be actually an industrial office building for a local factory. Went out of business years ago, and the church bought it, and then they just redid all of this. So the wall used to be right here, and they extended the whole sanctuary back. All that's brand new baptismal pool over there. All state-of-the-art electronics and sound systems. It's pretty cool. This is actually where I go to church, where my family goes, and we've been doing odd stuff for them over the years. We've had these rails done for probably a month and just haven't been able to get over here to put them in. So like I said, this one's a little bit shorter, but you can see the brackets there. These we get off either Wagner or King Architectural. And we just take and Scotch-Brite all this we bent this on the tube and bender, but we Scotch-Brite all of that and then wipe it down to get the residue off.